Hey guys, it's Matt from Appliance Testing Supplies. Today we're going to talk about the DeltaPAT and Godex Bluetooth printer. This combination of tester and printer is suited for anyone who wants to print their own test tags on the spot rather than having to write them down manually. This kit also allows both testing and printing, is one of the most affordable options available on the market. All you have to do is connect the Metrel DeltaPAT 3309 tester to the Godex printer via Bluetooth, and that's all. No need to stress about extra cables or anything else. What's great about using these machines together is that it significantly speeds up the testing and tagging process and makes your whole life a whole lot easier. The Godex printer that is supplied with this kit is a thermal transfer printer that can print durable test tags in QR or regular barcode formats. You also have the flexibility to add your company logo, test dates, and user information on the actual tag. Essentially, this kit is a basic version of the DeltaPAT and Godex Complete kit, with the main difference being that there's no scanning capabilities. So if you want to record the data, the best option is to get an Android device along with this kit separately, and then you'll be able to record all the information as you go. Don't worry too much about the extra cost for this, because you'll still be paying a lot less than you would do for a Godex Complete kit.